A paver driveway and pristine landscaping highlight the front elevation. The walkway leading to the etched glass double front doors is also of pavers. Upon entering, your attention is drawn to the high ceilings and openness of the floor plan. The formal dining room is on your right and features a coffered ceiling and crown molding. An artistic niche with a built-in cabinet is on your left. The living room is open and spacious with crown molding and also doubles as a home theater with projection TV. The room also features surround sound and glass sliding doors opening onto the lanai. The updated kitchen has all new stainless appliances, granite counters, and a 6-burner gas cooktop. A center island features a second sink and built-in food processor. An informal dining area and chef's desk is found at one end of the kitchen. The master bedroom suite is also found on the main level with a large aquarium window overlooking the pool and neighborhood lake. A large master bath with his and her vanities. A spa tub and separate glass block shower. A guest suite of ample size is also found on the first level, with a guest bath that is shared with the adjacent office. The office doubles as a 4th bedroom for the overflow guest, with a built-in Murphy bed. The pool bath is also used as the guest power room. On the second level is an oversized 3rd bedroom suite that features a wall of closets and built-in cabinetry.